Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP once again. Thank you for support. Okay, so you can see that XRP, you know, like we anticipated, is coiling up here, isn't it, in a horizontal. We are on the cusp of forming a beautiful buy and go to the beach here, where you get your 20 across the 55. That's a very bullish statement for XRP. I think the last two times we've actually got that. We got one just there, and what did we do? We rallied into this resistance, and we got one just there in the summer as well, where again we coiled up and we broke out. Look at that huge impulsive break, and again ran into that resistance. So, you know, like I said to you, I do think that XRP is trying to get back up to that level of resistance. I do think it's trying to do that. You know, there's no crystal ball. It could obviously roll, lose this key level support of this horizontal, because we have seen horizontals break down. Now, if it does start to do that and starts to roll out, then I would imagine you're going to come down. You start to lose them lows. That's really, really negative for XRP. You know, and it could spell a bear market, and with that, you could start to see some kind of capitulation event down here for XRP moving forward. You know, where it does start to come down even deeper and loses these lows. But is it doing that at the moment? No, you know, because you've got this beautiful structure. You've got the low and a higher low, you know, and you're coiling up in this kind of, you know, horizontal on a larger time frame basically, which again is a bullish continuation pattern. Once you break resistance and break out, you to the upside, obviously lose support, hit your head, boom, you're rolling. Okay, so you're just basically consolidating. You've come up, you're coiling up. Like I said to you, you do this a lot. Look, you come up there, coiled up. Once you broke out, boom, you met the impulsive 1618 target to the dollar and the cent. I didn't see anyone else on YouTube putting it on the thumbnails or anything like that, and that's what won this channel or the subscribers, because everyone couldn't believe it. But it's just won the 1618, and right now, like I said to you, the minimal target for me for XRP, if you do start to come up and break that high, is there. I do think that that's a key level resistance. But the only thing about this particular scenario that's different to this impulsive break just there, okay, when you met the 1618 on the dollar there, is you are breaking the all-time high there, which could create a massive level of FOMO, which could see you potentially break the 1618 target of $4.50 and actually go beyond that to the larger fib targets that we've had in the channel for a very long time here. Okay, we've got the 1272 at 852, we've got the 1414 at 1378, and we've got the 1618 up there at 2751. You know, so who knows what's going to happen. But this correction that Bitcoin's just gone through, this retracement to support, you know, to the lows that it's looking at right now over the past few days since I've been on holiday, XRP has held the lows, you know. So XRP is showing a lot of strength in comparison to other altcoins, which are absolutely taking a bit of a battering in comparison to Bitcoin as well. So what we do need to look at is the XRP Bitcoin chart. But yeah, I mean, if we can hold this support right now, not fall out of it, you know, we're coiling up, we're looking for a horizontal break here and a potential final sort of fifth wave here before we start to put in some kind of deeper retracement. So if we look at the Elliott wave theory just there, okay, we're looking at some kind of one up, a two pullback, the big three here, and this is a potential horizontal, you know, wave 4 correction, holding these lows, and we start to come up, boom, there's your fifth wave. Do you see that? And you've got a beautiful fifth wave impulsive break to that level of resistance. Start to get through that, hold and back test, amazing. And what that could be basically is just wave 1 like this. Look, you got your wave 1, your wave 2 pullback, your big explosive wave 3, your 4 and your 5, wherever you go to basically. You know, that's what we're looking at, Elliott wave theory right there for XRP. But again, no crystal balls. This low has to hold. Okay, this is a really important low, because if you do start to come up like that and start to retrace, you create a reversal wave. And like I said to you, I think your target's down there at 40 cents. I can show you the 1618 target if you do start to sweep down and reverse any deeper, you know, because, you know, right now this coiling up is strength. It's horizontal. You basically retrace into these lows, but you're doing it in such a bullish horizontal pattern, basically coiling up, huge horizontal. Down there at 39 cents would be my technical target if you did start to sweep these lows, and you can see what you're doing. You got a low, a lower low, a lower high just there. You start to lose this and roll out and come down, capitulation down there on the 39 cent mark, and you're then potentially looking at some kind of big A, B, C correction coming down again to this green trend line. Look at that. That could be an enormous level of support if it happens. It is a big if, you know, it is a big if. So yeah, I think XRP is looking okay though. So we have to adhere to a price structure. You come up impulsively, you're coiling up in a continuation pattern. I think that the technical break target of these horizontals, when you come up into them, I think it's something like 68% chance continuation, 32% chance reversal basically. So yeah, hold this support. It's a 10 level support, and like I said to you in a previous update, falling back into the EMAs, create the buy and go to the beach on the 382 as well at 75 cents, which is strong. You know, this retracement from this high to this low. Okay, so that's what you're doing. Hold it, boom, get your fifth wave breakout. That could be a really good place to sort of take a bit of profit off the table. Again, nothing to say is financial advice, because you might get rejected there, coming for a wave 2 correction ABC, and then start to come back up. Okay, potentially that's a potential play for XRP. So yeah, we're looking at sort of coiling up in this horizontal, looking to break this resistance and looking to sort of come back up to that level of resistance just there. Okay, that trend line. So from here right now, you know, you could be looking at further appreciation of around about 22% for XRP, you know, and you could trade all this on Bybit, use stop losses, you know, don't over leverage, you know. That's why I always say use stop losses. This is your stop loss right now. If you start to fall out of that pattern, you know, you're invalidating that technical break target and impulsive break target to the upside, and you've got a short on your hands coming down to that low. Okay, and you're retracing deeper. Now where could your levels of support be right there? So what we do, we drop a fibs on. So just here you can see at the minute you've bounced off the 382 just there. Okay, you're holding a 382. Now Bitcoin, I'm going to say Bitcoin, sorry, I mean XRP does have an affinity towards 0.50. You could see if you was to start to roll out of this pattern, this would be a technical break target. Let me get that knob on. Okay, so if you break out, look, you're up there, wherever you are towards the apex, or even if you break out today or tomorrow, whatever, you're breaking out and you're continuing, you're looking at that fifth wave. But if you're coming in for a deeper retracement, okay, then yeah, you could be down there on the 50, wherever it is, and you could be down there on the golden ratio. And these key levels of support would have to hold for me. You start coming in deeper, you know, then you start to come down, lose that, boom. That's really, really bearish. And that's what I said to you the whole time, okay? It's all about holding these lows, and this will give the game away. What XRP does here, and this retracement will give the game away if you're not in a bear market or a bull market. You understand that? So, you know, we can't deny, we can't ignore price action, and this is a bullish pattern. It's called a horizontal triangle. It's basically a compression of price, and you know, 9 times out of 10 in an uptrend they do break up to the upside. Now we did see a larger one here that we did create just there. Do you remember this larger one? It did break out, and look where it went to, boom, and then you got rejected off a trend line and did that. Do you remember? So that's basically XRP. Hope you enjoyed that little update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care everyone. Back soon, another update on XRP. Thank you for your support. Bye bye.